Alright, hey everybody. So today we're in the backyard garden. So every so often I like to come out here and just look around at all of the things that are going on. There's something flowering. So I figured I'd take you guys and show you. So over here is my Cavendish banana plant. So I planted a Cavendish here about maybe 2-3 years ago. So I got a couple racks so far, and I don't know, I was just kind of done with Cavendish and wanted to try like a different variety. So I decided to cut all of them back. Like if you could see, let me move this over. So there were a couple here. There's like about 3 or 4 that was over here that I cut down. And then this one here, I actually cut like about here. Just chopped it off, and I really thought it was just gonna dry up just like the other ones did and die, but this one is resilient. This one did not want to die. And I noticed recently I started putting on these new leaves here, and then just today I come out and notice this right here. It actually has a little flower on it, so that means I'll be getting some more bananas soon. Okay, let's do a little close-up. This one is a dwarf variety of Cavendish, so the bananas, they're actually a little bit smaller. They're about half the size of the bananas that you get in the grocery stores. And this flower actually looks kind of little. The other rack that I had, the flower was a bit bigger than that one. But yeah, so it's gonna have bananas. It'll take like about, I think like about 3 months for these to totally be ripe. So I have a bit more waiting to do. But they're looking good. So far they look nice and healthy. And then when this gets a little bit bigger and actually put out a full rack, I'll cut this flower off because there's little banana flowers inside that are edible, and you could put them in like a stir fry. And a lot of people call these banana trees, but it's actually not a tree. It's considered a plant. So, and then they take quite a while to get mature enough to fruit. So if you plant a banana plant, it'll take about 15 months before you can actually get a flower like this that'll produce fruit. And once you get that flower, you still have to wait a little bit for it to get ripe. Like about 3 months. But what I like about these, there's so many uses for the banana plant. Like if you want, you could actually cut the leaves off here and then use it as like a little plate. You could put food on it. Or there's some Spanish dishes where you could make a mixture, wrap it up with the leaves, and then you could steam it. Yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys what'll happen. You could try and take out a banana plant and it'll come right back to life. Like I thought for sure this thing was dead. Like if you look at all of this right here, it's so dry. See? It's like super dry. Look at that. It's so dry. I thought for sure it was dead. But nope, it came back to life. Still can't get over it that it just pretty much came back to life like a zombie. Alright guys, I'll be sure to give you an update on this beautiful banana plant. But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.